In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slide Master View in PowerPoint. This feature is the backbone of consistent professional presentations, and once you understand it, you'll save a lot of time formatting slides one by one. First, open Slide Master. Go to the View tab at the top of PowerPoint and click Slide Master. Your screen will switch to a new view with a large top slide and several smaller layouts listed underneath it. That top slide is the slide master, and the ones below are layout slides. Think of the master as the parent and the layouts as its children that inherit its design. It helps to understand what each part controls. The slide master manages global elements like the font style and size used throughout, your theme colors, background styles, and any branding such as a logo or watermark. The layout slides control specific slide types, such as title slides, content slides, and more. Layouts inherit from the master but can be customized for their specific purpose. To make global changes, click the top master slide. From here, you can set your default font choices, adjust theme colors, apply a consistent background, and place a logo or watermark so it appears across the entire deck. You can also define default text formatting like bullet spacing and heading styles. A quick tip: place logos or watermarks on the master rather than individual slides to keep everything aligned and consistent, and use guides to keep elements positioned cleanly. Next, edit individual layouts to fine-tune specific slide types. Click any layout below the master, such as title slide or to content. Here you can add or remove placeholders for text, images, or charts, move or resize elements, and tweak the design to fit your needs. For example, you might show a logo only on title slides or build a custom layout tailored for social media screenshots. Use insert placeholder to add exactly what you need and align elements so they're visually balanced. If you want a fresh design starting point, you can add a new layout. Click Insert Layout, customize it as you like, and give it a clear name so it's easy to find later. In fact, renaming layouts is recommended. Right-click a layout, choose Rename Layout, and label it something descriptive like Marketing Slide or Image Focus to stay organized. When you're done, click Close Master View at the top right. Back in normal view, select any slide, click Layout, and choose your customized design. Your content will drop into the placeholders automatically. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.